So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna start with something nice art video today, like killing people and stuff video. Let's get into the video. As you can see now, this method is recommended like for our cases. So if this method is gonna like it slow down, like I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna remove this method. I'm gonna remove it. And I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to mix that method with like low end methods, which is that will only be for low end PC guys. Because I have a low end PC, I'm thinking of buying a powerful PC. Just give me like 2 or 3 months. You see, feel me bro? 2 or 3 months now. Would be good. If I can get 2 or 3 months now, I will buy me that thing, bro. Trust me, I will buy me powerful PC. Let me see if all these things work good. You see, I even get 16 FPS when I'm recording. Look, that's not even. Oh yeah, good, 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 good. Ish. You see now, hey, what thing is this? Oh yeah, I forgot. That happened when I like go out of the game and come back in. Then that happened. You see how slow it is? It's because of this moped. Bro, moped, I'm so sorry for you, but maybe I will keep playing, guys. Maybe my FPS will go up. Then it will be good. Like, who knows? Maybe it can go up. You see that screen? The highest can go is like 23 again. 21, 20. Nah, the highest is 20 there. Who cares about that? Let's ask people. Let's ask people now before I see. If you want IP, I will put IP in the comment section. And description. Don't worry about IP. I will give an IP for you for Salah IP. Any else because they're gonna tell you. But even if it's beautiful, stop PC. Let's sit one. Music, come on. That music, I don't like that music. Yeah, I like Amapiano. Feel me? Amapiano. That's in my house. Just is I don't even know how it's looking from the inside, bro. Let me check, bro. Let me check how it looks from the inside. Bro, this is supposed to be a game. Like, it's fine. Yeah, yeah. This. What's this one name? It's this one looking for. Look, this. That's how this big, bro. Look at this. Why is it black here? Oh. there's no light, you see. Yo, this is big mansion, bro. Yo, look at this. Hey, where's the section now? Let me check the side. Yeah, now FPS is playing with us. Look there. 30 FPS is going up. Hey, is this a studio? Yeah, it's a studio, bro. Look there. Come on, bro. Let me stand there. Go there. Ah, 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 ah. Yo, bro, don't worry. The thing will be fire landed. And then I'm gonna use that one. Now let's hope I'm getting out the right way. That's why me, I don't like such big houses, bro. What this one wanna meet me now? Hey, me, I don't do meat, bro. If you wanna kill me, just say there, PM. I wanna kill you, come, baba. Here. Oh, I don't think 2 times, bro. If I see kill, I'm coming, boy. I'm coming for even. You guys can think, nah, bro, this one is dumb. Oh, I'm not dumb. I wanna rob you when I kill you. Took all your case, baba. Yeah, take all of your case. That's what I'm doing, bro. Let me see what I can go there. Maybe that me wanna. Let me spawn all cars for you guys. Hey guys, if you know a command to spawn all cars, comment in the comment boxes. Me, I'm tired of doing this. Spawn one by one. Yeah. I will ask Edmund. Look there. The thing that golf there near the house is. I didn't spawn the like. The writers. Like I will show you now, guys. The car still have problems with gold. I did not. You see, like this one. This one is black. All is black. Because I didn't copy the files. Like all of the files. This one doesn't have interior. You see. But I still like it though. Even yeah, this one is good. This one is good for me. That's two. Actually, I love it black. That's two. This two doesn't look like it having problems. But this one also has problems. Oh no, you can see bro, the windows are done. But this one has a lot of problems. Look there. Look at the rims. But you know how fast this one is. Oh, let me do this one thing. Fast for you guys. You guys can. Guys, let me tell you the truth. I downloaded low-end modpad from Pakistan. Person's account on YouTube. I downloaded. I will put the link in the description. Let me turn this thing on for you guys. You guys can. See? You see, bro? Yeah, Papa. Who killed me? Oh, is it the hacker? Someone is hacking me. One of this one. This one. Oh, this one is hacking. Then they use that, what do you call it? Kill all command for them. In the recording, that's good, that's good. Look at it, life is full. It can't be that I'm thirsty, look there. My food is 5, that is 5. It can be about there, but yo. Let me accept this one. Oh, I don't know why they. Hey, is it right? Yeah, but this one. Let me ask you. Just people keep changing the command. Pero you see this one. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. Now it's working. Just as long as you stay. Yeah, 30 FPS good, ne? It's guys, okay, I will tell you what. Every time I'm here, ne? Sometimes my game, like the character stands still, the character is not moving. I don't know what's going on. I will fix that also. I think I must reinstall the modpack. Oh, now, you see the, yeah. You see, when I spawn, yeah. Now the character is standing still, but I can't move. And even in this building, even not, when I'm even coding, bruh, it lags here. I don't know what's going on. My FPS drops a lot, yeah. When I'm here, bro, this thing. That's why I like. I'm being in big buildings like this, PD buildings, HP buildings. See, let me go out. Let's disconnect it now before I crash. Yeah, this one keep looking for data. Me don't have money to buy you data. Buy Wi-Fi for you. Go and take fiber there. Fiber is the best. But I don't know why it's just fiber. Nah, bro, fiber is way too slow for me because I have two laptops and that thing doesn't play with internet. The one I'm playing now is better than the other one. But the other one, that one looking for what the fuck is that? Let me ask that one where is it? You see how it's late? You see, that cast there is not a support. When I go, look, when I go near, you see the car is coming. But when I'm far, bro, this car shows me other car like you there. It's me, I love that power, but the color is not matching. Color is not matching, bro. And why my game is lagging? Oh. Why do I lock it? Nobody can drive this thing. Only ambulance can drive, so there's no need to lock it, bro. Let me tell that one to come out. Hey, but I can go inside. Oh, they invited me to the house. Yeah, I'm in. Where's this one? You look here. That nigga's gonna plan something now. Just me. And I also wanna kill that other one. That one killed me for no reason, bro. Yo, don't know what's going on with that nigga. You see, people is calling me now. Then they even send me the location. When I get there, they are not there. Come on, don't call me again when you are wasting my time. So guys, if you watch it this far, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, comment what you think about it. What yeah, change. Maybe we're gonna do a bang rock. So if you wanna join the thing, just comment join. I wanna join. I will put the add there. Maybe what my number you text me. I add you to the group. Then we put the group. Then we will play the group there. Where my car was? Where was my car? There. Let me see. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Hey, I think it was there. Man. Yeah, there it is. You see this one? You see, I just respawn the cars so that there can be enough cars for others when they're loading. Which this one? Yeah, you see this one? Yeah. You see, they are driving fast cars. Look there. We haven't going with them guys. That nigga, they love spamming, like doing their own stuff and tell to the admins that they show me heck what I did heck. They will do that for you to get there, so that they can get your cars and stuff. Don't argue with anyone you know, guys. That's what I can tell you. Hey, this one. I didn't repeat this one. No, I'm gonna repeat. Look there. They even come in my yard. Hey, Baba, get out here. Yeah, nah. Now you see if you stay like that in the car, like just like stuck, you know, be out there. Hey, yeah, I want a request for big day. Day must be a big guy. I'm tired of this nigga thing. Just coming in my yard like just like that. Let me look here. Hey, it didn't even look. What if they was second? Oh, no. I in my house and that nigga's going. You see, these niggas are looking for me, but what's look like what is you see? Or they're even. Uh, you see? Fuck them. Let me see who's in here. Now, guys, I might log out now. So if you watch this far, please consider like, subscribe, comment, That's good. Let's watch it. Yeah, I didn't forget about the thing. If you wanna join the hub, just comment in the comment box, comment section. I want to join. I will put my WhatsApp number there. Yeah, so.